the flow that I live by.
Hi guys, and welcome back. So in keeping with the quarantine theme, I feel it's been a while since my last DIY, so I figured this is the best time to bring one since I have nothing but time on my hands. Now currently all beauty supply stores are closed right now, so I can't get my hands on my favorite Prepoo locally. Now I can spend the money or order it off of Amazon, but I don't have time for that. I'm trying to save some coins, plus my hair is super dry and tangled, and my roots are so knotted that I can't go another day with my hair in this condition. So my goal for today is to make my own version of my favorite Prepoo, which is the African Pride Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo. I have some currently, but it's not enough to do my entire head, so again, I'm just making my own version of it. As you can see from my ingredients here, I don't have coconut water, but what I do have is a small bowl of flax seeds, an aloe plant, and Jamaican black castor oil. Flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, it nourishes the follicles and the hair shaft, and it has amazing moisture and slip. The aloe strengthens and repairs your hair strands, it calms an itchy scalp, and it's also conditioning, moisturizing, and also has amazing slip. The black castor oil is a great hair moisturizer, it also repairs damaged hair, it hydrates your hair, and leaves it very soft. And it's great for just overall healthy hair growth. Overall, the combination of aloe and flax seeds makes your hair very soft and more manageable as you start your wash day or styling process. So let's begin making this DIY Prepoo detangler. So without further ado, let's get started. The first step is to extract the aloe gel from the plant. Next, I'm going to blend it up in the mixer until it becomes a liquid consistency, and then I'm going to strain it to make sure there's absolutely no hard pieces from the plant in the mixture. So now that I'm finished with that, I'm going to set my aloe to the side and start on my flaxseed. You can use anywhere from 1.5 to 2 cups of water. I say 2 cups, and 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. So when the water comes to a boil, add the seeds. Reduce the heat to bring it down to a low boil until you start to get this snotty mucus consistency. I know that sounds really bad, but that's the best way I can describe it. Next, I'm going to drain the liquid from the seeds and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of castor oil to the hot gel and just allow it to sit and cool down for a little bit. Once I get it down to a warm temperature, I'm then going to slowly pour in the aloe little by little, giving it a good whisk until I get the consistency that I'm looking for. Then I'm going to pour it into an applicator bottle for easy application. So this is how dry and crusty my hair is looking right now. No definition, no shine, no moisture, no movement. I'm going to start applying this mixture to the roots of my hair first because that's where it is the kinkiest. So once my roots are nice and softened and detangled, I'll then work the rest of the mixture down to the ends of my hair. And then later going back in with my detangling brush. So I'm just going to do one side of my hair so you guys can see how well this mixture actually performs on my hair, how it restores the moisture in my hair, brings back my curl definition and shine. But most importantly, how well it detangles. So it looks like this Prepoo definitely did the job. It definitely detangled my hair. I did not have to wet my hair before I started, so it immediately absorbed into my hair. And it just penetrated my hair and easily detangled, just melted right into my hair. This DIY Prepoo detangler also brought back the definition of my curls. So I got really great curl definition. My hair is nice and soft and moisturized. So it feels really good. So now this is going to make my wash day routine even more easier and more manageable now that I can actually get through my roots in my hair. But I want to show you guys that you can do your own. You can make your own with just those 3 things, just those 3 ingredients only. I definitely hope you guys give this DIY a try. It's very simple and easy to do, and it works. It works on my hair, because if it worked on this dry tangled mess, I'm sure it'll work on anybody else's hair. So I'm going to finish the rest of my hair off camera. I'm going to take this down again just so y'all can see once again. Just so y'all can see once again the definition. So clearly you can see the difference. There is no shine, there's no moisture, there is no definition. My hair feels and looks like steel wood. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I hope you enjoyed my version of the African Pride Prepoo. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
I can get fly,